Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 13-inch round canvas on my spinner and we're just going to do a couple of different This Little Piggy pigments because I love them so much. I have got several different of the new colors I just got in. So we've got Athena, which is a really pretty, it's almost like a rose gold, only far better. If you don't know what color to buy from the piggies, get Athena, she's beautiful. I've got Groovy, which is a bright pink. I've got Sequins, which is one of my favorite interference colors. Afterglow, Hustle. As you can see, I'm going with a pink and purple kind of theme. This is Show Pony. And Constellation is my darker purple. So those are the colors I'm going with. I'm going to use my black Amsterdam Oxide Black for the cell activator. And I'm probably going to do a swipe. So Greg's going to hit some music. Sit back and enjoy. Thanks for joining me, everybody.
Do you remember the late nights? Do you remember the long drives all by ourselves? Never need no one else. Do you remember the sweet talk? The way we used to fight about the same old shit. Always so full of it. 'Cause I miss the days when we were alive. And I miss the way your hand fits in mine. We used to burn like forest fires. Our faces made for each other's eyes. We were alive. Where did we go to die? 'Cause I miss my forest fire. You told me this was real love. You said you never give up, but where are you now? Who do you think about? 'Cause I was breathing for you with all my lungs, and I was bleeding for you with all my blood. Guess that wasn't enough. I miss the days when we were alive. And I miss the ways that you made me cry, cry. We used to burn like forest fires. Our faces made for each other's eyes. We were alive. Where did we go to die? 'Cause I miss my forest fire. Let's give it another shot, love. We tried our best. Come on, it's worth the fight. Well, I got nothing left. Does it ever end with you? I want you to stay by my side. I think I'll stay home tonight. Baby, let's make this right. Too late, I made up my mind. What do I try with you? We used to burn like forest fires. At least that's how it seemed in my eyes. And maybe I was just another guy, but you were more in my eyes. You were more in my eyes. We used to burn like forest fires. Our faces made for each other's eyes.
She is reckless, throwing dollars in the wind. Now she hears the landlord knocking at her door. Just an orphan, never knew her daddy's name, and her mama passed when she was only 4. And now she's in West Virginia, working overtime. How can you love this world? How can you love this life? And now she's in West Virginia, all alone inside her mind. How can you love this world? How can you love this life? So she pulls out a knife and she starts to write the story of her life on her arms tonight. And with every breath the pain turns to red. Can she make this right? Can she love herself tonight? She's had boyfriends, but none of them could hold her down. She said they drank too much and talked too loud. Free as a gypsy in the mountains of the south, where she dreams of one day getting out. But she's in West Virginia, working overtime. How could you love this world when she don't want this life? So she pulls out a knife and she starts to write the story of her life on her arms tonight. And with every breath the pain turns to red. Can she make this right? Can she love herself? West Virginia, working overtime. What if she leaves this place to start a brand new life? Then she starts to